Computex 2024 is just around the corner, so what can we actually expect from the big three this time around, apart from thousands of utterings of the word AI? Well, probably the most interesting showing will be from AMD, as we'll be expecting to get news not only on the next-gen Radeon RX 8000 graphics cards, but maybe even a teaser or two about next-gen Zen 5 CPUs, which are now called Ryzen 9000, not Ryzen 8000, because, well, Team Red just likes to be confusing like that. Now, hopes on high for the former, seeing how there's already been leaks that the top-end cards have been cancelled, and it's going to be the next generation of RDNA graphics cards that's really going to bring the heat. However, still, anything to try and break up the Nvidia monopoly would be nice. In the meantime, when it comes to Zen 5, we do know that should bring some pretty hefty improvements when it comes to performance as well, but well, that's all we really know. Nvidia is a bit of a weird one. They usually have their own special conferences near the end of the year just for the announcement of a new generation of graphics cards. Finally, there's also Intel. Yeah, they're still around. And while the last gen Intel 14th gen CPUs were about as fun and exciting as a party thrown by me, the next gen Intel 15th gen chips are looking kind of promising. Except for the not called Intel 15th gen. Yep, they decided to confuse everyone by essentially resetting the numbering using a brand new scheme, which is so much more confusing for whatever reason. Either way, with Arrow Lake, we're also getting a brand new socket, brand new chipset, and much more. So what do you think of all of this, and what do you think is going to appear at Computex? Let me know down in the comments below, and hey, we'll be going there for the very first time, so definitely subscribe so you don't miss our coverage with the signature snark and cynicism on this very channel. Plus huge thanks to our patrons like Gavin Burns, Justin Rage, Avrona, Dev Panda, Nazca of Kane, Balash Roka, Patrick Harrison, also named Meg Sumner, Shin Ulcroft Lensby, and Level Up for making this possible. But anyway, that's all it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.